Hello guys, so today we're going to play this game. We're going to eat this thing. Let's go. I don't want to move it. Okay, my turn. Yay. Let's go order food. This cheese is taken. I want onion. Sit somewhere empty. I'm going to make a private server. Let's go. Okay, we're going to eat it now. Let's go. I'm moving. Yay. Let's go. Convenience store. I found it. It's so empty, so cool. Let's go over to the bar. Let's order some food. It says food to order. I want 5 chicken, fish, spicy, water, snack. I want this. The red, I don't want this red. Wow, this looks cool. I'm gonna place it in the ocean. My face is dusty. And I think over here. Spicy noodles over here. Fried chicken. Let's eat spicy. Here you guys some. Here you guys some. Let's eat. And with this. Look at the cheese pull. I'm going to eat all. I'm going to try this one now. Let's try one again. So cheesy. Okay, let's try this one. This one cheesy too. Let's go. Let's get chicken nuggets. I want spicy salad. Yummy. Let me get cheese pull. I'll get cheese pull. I'm going to use this. I'm going to use this. Honey. Ranch. I love ranch. Cheese pull. Spicy salad. Okay. This is all. Bye bye, you guys.